Okay, so this means that the user is going to see this as the label. Now we want to take input from the user, so we have to let them know the kind of input they are supposed to provide. So this is what will let them know that we need to want to take name from them. And then when they type their name, this is what will allow them type their name. Console.readline allows user to type their name, and then after typing their name, it will be stored in the what? In the name variable. So if you want to do this for all the other two variables we have, this is how we can do it. So this is how it can be done. Now our variables are just three, okay? The other data types like Boolean and then char is the same approach, no changes. So that means when I run the program, they are going to see enter name. They enter the name here. This is what will allow them to enter. And then they get stored in each of the data types, each of the variables we've equated. So let me run this program. You now see enter name. So name is Francis. Enter age, 6. Salary. Okay. So you can see now all the information are being what? Are being displayed. So this allow us to what? Allow us to know the information they are expecting. And then this one is simply what? Takes the information and then put it in a variable. But there was something we have to do whenever we are taking input from users. This is it. So if you are taking integer, you need to convert, you have to convert the input to a type integer. Now, during classes hours, we were told to put something called option straight on. Now, you can see the moment I add the option straight on up here, these two data types are giving errors. Now, what is the purpose of the option straight on? You let the compiler know that you should be very careful, or you should check the kind of values we are going to be giving to each or any variable. You get it? Now console.writeLine, automatically the data type for console.readLine is string. That's the default type. When you are taking any input from the user, the default type assigned to it is a string. And so doing this, you can see for the string side, there's no error. But when it comes to the integer type, there's an issue, because age is of type integer and then this one is a string. So it will not work, or they are not compatible. We have to what? We have to convert one. So this is how we can do it. You can just say that convert dot to int. So convert dot to int 32, that's the integer representation. Convert to integer 32, and then you put the what? The console.writeLine. This one is going to convert it to what? To an integer. The same way for the double, we take this one and then we say convert dot to double, and then you put it inside. So this is the right approach to convert the string to what? The desired data type you want. And then finally, we are going to what? Display them. So let me just put console.writeLine to have a space in between taking input and then displaying the input. So let's run again. Name is John, age is 44, and then salary. Then you can see down here the information we took from the users. We have been able to what? Display them down here. So for the basic level, we've looked at how you can create projects, how you can create variable, how you can display and also take input. And then I think, sure, I think that's it. How you can display. So moving forward, we'll look at the if and then else statement, okay? But so far, this is what I want us to focus on for now. And then as time goes on, we'll keep adding the rest, okay? All right, so thank you so much for your time. I'll see you next. Bye.